Not 212.
Today's April 2nd.
312.
312.
Yes. I was
Okay,
just,
do you want to do the video?
no, because you said today is 312.
Oh my God! Can you two stop arguing?
Yo, what's up everybody? April 2nd, 2024. Today we're 312 days on the road and we're at Mueller State Park here in Colorado. And today we got a special challenge. Jacob, bring out the challenge. Today we're doing the hot sauce challenge. Okay, we bought this at Sam's Club, 20 bucks. 20 bucks for 16 sauces. If my math serves me correctly, how much is each bottle of sauce?
You asking me?
Yeah.
$2?
No, if it was $2 for... Oh my gosh, please. If there's 16 sauces and it's 20 bucks, how much is it? Rain, how much is it?
$1?
What the heck? What's 20 divided by 16 bucks? Oh my gosh. So $20 divided by 16 hot sauces is $1.25 each. Duh.
And guys, by the way, if you look closely right here, you can see two guys dipping one chip into a salsa.
Go line it up so that it won't fall.
Okay, that's the last one. It's gonna be close.
And it's gonna ruin everything.
Look at all these hot sauces, and then look at this hot mama. Hot sauce number one, garlic. Yeah.
It's got like a salty, spicy kind. Oh, now it's kicking in. The aftertaste, you can start kicking in the spice.
Try a little bit. Sauce number one. I like garlic flavor. It's good. You're gonna like that one. Level 2 herb. Level 3 jalapeno lime. The lime is really good.
The lime, like the tanginess, is like weird.
Level 4 sweet jalapeno.
Josh, you want?
That almost tastes like the lemon jalapeno
Yeah, that's
chips.
what I said.
You're only until level 4?
Yes.
Joshua is done. He's only until level 4. One challenger's down.
Level 5 tequila pineapple.
Here.
I'm just being a spectator.
It's like a roasted pepper. What flavor is that?
Tequila pineapple.
To be honest, I didn't really even taste the pineapple. I tasted like a pepper.
I was
Like a roasted pepper.
I was gonna say that. Like a roasted pepper.
I don't like that.
Level 6 medium garlic. I want to do this with chicken wings.
Then do it.
Well, where's the chicken wings? The chicken?
Oops.
One.
Actually, I like that one. I'd probably use that one on my food.
This is my sauce. I like this.
It's like sweet.
She copies. Level 7 cayenne chipotle.
And it's from Chipotle.
Not from Chipotle.
Oh, Chipotle is from Colorado.
Oh, we're gonna make a video about Chipotle in this next video, or in the upcoming videos, because we're in Colorado and it's from Colorado.
Yeah, we're gonna get Chipotle. Because I've never been to Chipotle.
I heard Chipotle.
It's alright. It had like smoky.
I like it.
It's like a barbecue.
It has like aftertaste from
Level 8 caliente jalapeno.
I'm probably gonna get out when it's like ghost pepper. Just a little. Now that's pretty good. I like it. Oh yeah, I can taste the jalapeno. I taste the
like the garlic flavor better than the jalapeno.
I can taste the jalapeno. I like that.
Alright guys, we're halfway there. We're at level 9. Level 9 cilantro jalapeno. This is perfect for the weather.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Half of it's spicy and half of it is like a smoky, sweet flavor.
You're right. He's good. He has a good palate. You have a good palate.
Cleanse your palate.
Level 10. We're in double digits now. Ooh. Oh, look it. I never noticed this, but if you look at these bottles, this one has a heat level of 3 flames. This is, what's that one before it? 2 flames?
Yeah, the first one is 1 only.
1. Okay, when you're at level 5, you're still at 1 flame, and then 6 through 9, you're at 2 flames, and then 10 up to the rest of them is 3 flames. Level 10 ghost pepper.
Can I smell? Ooh, that's a strong. It's like ghost pepper.
Oh yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait for mama.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cheers.
That's like the first one. I actually feel like the heat is getting good, like hot.
It's like Tabasco.
It's like Tabasco. It's like sweet.
Level 11 ghost pepper. Ooh.
Ghost pepper.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nothing scary about that, Ghost.
I feel the kick.
The aftertaste is spicy.
I feel the kick.
Level 12, classic habanero.
I like it.
Cheers.
It's like sweet so far. I'm probably gonna get kicked in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
It tastes like cherry Pepsi. Level 13, apple whiskey habanero.
I really like this.
That tastes like whiskey.
Not even close.
It's like an apple-ish, pineapple-ish, smoky, sweet, spicy.
Whoa, that was good. That was good. He's good. He's good.
Level 14,
peach ghost pepper.
Oh, look at the snow.
Oh, shoot, it's getting cold. Here, hurry, hit me with that hot sauce. I heat myself up.
I know.
Hit me. A little bit more.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh! Oh!
Is that peach? Can you taste that?
No, it's like a freaking. It's like a barbecue.
Yeah.
Exactly, it's like a barbecue.
It's like a barbecue.
It's like a barbecue.
Level 15, extreme habanero. These hot sauces ain't even hot.
Exactly, they're like.
It's like a baby hot sauce. Is there a baby on the box?
Exactly.
Cheers.
You got a lot of hot sauce on this.
Woo! Now that one is good.
It's already red.
Oh, it's not coming out. It's not coming out. Last one. Yeah, it's hot for him. See, look how that soda he's drinking. We should got you some ice cream and some milk.
Oh my god, that
Ready?
last one is spicy.
Level 16, garlic habanero.
Last stop.
Where are you going? You need your reaction in the video. That's why we did it.
It's like a smoky plus
It's so good, your snot comes out of your nose. Pretty fun challenge. I thought at the very end I couldn't handle it, but the heat level at the end doesn't really go up. Just the flavors change, I think. Personally, that's what I think.
Dude, this one, the extreme one is good.
All right. On the count of 3, we're going to point out our favorite one. 3, 2, 1.
I got mine.
Yeah, that's my favorite. That was a good one, right? The worst tasting one.
1, 2, 3, go. This.
Oh, I meant this one. The cilantro one.
I like this line. Guess what I got for the kids?
Robot.
Dun, da, da, da.
Robot.
This is their Easter present from Grandpa Joe.
Robot.
Does it open?
Grandpa Joe, if you're watching this, thank you. Yeah, thank you. You're the best.
This is from Grandpa. This is from Uncle Mookie. This is from Auntie Angela.
Thank you, Grandpa Joe and Angela. Anyways, we're gonna get done with the video. We're gonna close it tonight. Have a good night. Have a good night or day, depending where you live. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Write a comment. Put emoji, bald, a bald emoji because my dad is bald, but I'm not trying to be rude. But also, thank you, Uncle Mookie. Thank you, Aunt Angela, and thank you, Grandpa. Anyways, go back.